this government came in, we had 4 ministers. In other places, he changed ministers. He replaced it with ministers. He changed 2 of our ministers and did not give us ministers again. We had the Minister of Women Affairs in Anambra State. Tinubu took it and did not replace it with another minister. Don't tell me Minister of State. I've told you, Minister of State is an assistant to the Minister of Foreign Affairs. Is one Yusuf. Is Honorable Yusuf Tuga. That's the Minister of Foreign Affairs. So Anambra State now has no substantive minister. We took our Minister of Industry and Trade from Abia. Is it Abia or Imo? Did not replace it. Don't give me that thing about Minister of State, because the Minister of Finance today is Wole Edu. So when the opportunity came for the Abia Minister of State to be promoted to substantive Minister of Labor, because the substantive minister went back to the Senate, rejecting to be a minister, preferred to be a senator. He knows why. No, he did not even allow the Honorable Nkechi become a Honorable Nkiru to become a full-fledged minister. Why? Because of hatred for Igbo. Absolute. When he was campaigning, when he was doing his primary, he did not go to Southeast. He rather, when he finishes other zones he thought was important, now came to Abuja and say they should all come and see him. When he was campaigning, he said the Southeast will have soaked slice of bread. That's what they will get from. Not slice of bread, though. No. The one that is so light, you will see it except it is soaked. To tell you the level of marginalization. After the election, he said, these people came to Lagos when they were 12 years and they didn't support us. So he had the mind to emasculate and finish the Southeast. And on top of it, he went for a Muslim ticket. Southeast, they are 99.9% Christians. So whoever is choosing a Muslim ticket do not have any intention to have them in the presidency for any reason. And that is why I'm saying anybody from the Southeast that is supporting Tinubu, you are an enemy. You're not a Southeast indigenous. No, politics is about whoever is trying to finish your people and you're supporting the person, you are complicit. You're complicit. So